Welcome once more, family, to Debbie's Jamaican Family Channel. We are here with Kimmey. She's behind the camera. Kimmey, say hi to the people.
Hi guys, morning.
Yeah, yeah, she said morning chirpy food she come for. And I thought what as she done eat, she gone. Yeah, man, go on to make sure so no one wrote in the comment section with the name and the going away.
You know, so me weird the name the proud right here, so it don't really make a difference.
We are going to be, I wouldn't say we're perfecting a recipe. I'm going to be cooking something, and you know, as usual, we're eating it on the mukbang channel. So I am going to show you what we are making. What we do right now, honestly, look here, I'm going to tell you something. I don't know, some real kitchen, real everything in us, and every day we wake up, it get worse and worse, real. I actually, it's just a lot going on with me right now. I'm going to blend this coconut and I'm going to take off that something here. I'm going to take this thing off. This is the worst blender I could have owned, that one day. But for some reason, sometimes, when I'm strapped for time, I like it.
Convenient.
You understand? When I'm strapped for time, I have one like this, know why. When I'm strapped for time like now, when I go make like a coconut, I can't afford to take out another big one there. I kind of like it, so. This can go pan it, so that's the only reason why I'm not just put it out there. But it's convenient like right now, but honestly I can't take it too much nice. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to be blending a little coconut. I might have to do this in a tone. Cook it up like me, I make drops or me I go make one. I'm going to check so waiting. I don't have to do it in a tone. Why?
I'm sure.
No sir. Yeah, and enough coconut milk for a while, so. Let's see. You did there over there last week after you left. Trying to get a piece of cut there, nearly losing the finger.
You tell me.
You're following it, checking out. Get a piece of cut left on his finger, nearly take off on his finger. On his left hand. So I don't know how people tell people say to take out coconut out of shell. No, it not on. Be careful. Be careful.
You know, so I never take it out of shell.
Yeah, you be careful, yeah.
I'm never.
You're not careful if you not can manage it. That's why they make coconut powder and coconut. What the other something? No, yes. This is the wrong thing. This is how fuzzy my brain is. This is the wrong thing. I am gonna look for the other part of something I put here, so. But honestly,
you can't find it.
Yeah, no, I saw my life going here, so I never can find nothing. But one day it's gonna be better when I have this huge kitchen, all you know. They call it something all organized. I mean, know if I find me something them with me what the cover them now, what them I use? The silent one, when I make no nice, when I make no bloom like all them here. One day you'll see me, not long either. I'm working on that. One day, honestly, I'm gonna have some an organized kitchen. Yeah. But
hi guys, good morning. It's all the smile bright on my face because Miss Debbie has shipped up some food today, and look how light as today. It's a solid meal today, and them don't know say me hungry and waiting. Although she said me and I'm hungry, but that's a life.
automatic now. I get a little time and then I run it one more time. So you see coconut it's still coarse, eh?
So, but the coconut that one tough something.
Why if it tough and back? Like come here back. Yeah guys, so we are making rice and peas. And that is it. Myself, I'm clean up the stove. I say, who put on a piece of cooking the last night? And no, I don't know some foreign dish.
Wait, say that you know?
No, I didn't full already. I did eat. So I go me look for no Kimmey cook. Jesus. I have something there in that. And here where you are saying now. Oh Miss Debbie. Yeah, you see it's a native coconut said look. Oh Miss Debbie, you go something to that. I show me see it yes so.
Tell them what I use. Miss Debbie I use.
I don't even know what
Miss Debbie I cook the rice and beans in a rice cooker. Guys, I've never used a rice cooker before.
You never cook rice and peas in a rice cooker, show them I think so. Of course, the whole people know the rice cooker, rice and peas.
I'm not the rice cooker. I'm not the rice cooker. Rice cooker take too long. My belly has.
I love your belly.
Alright, no. Alright, no, if you go the rice cooker thing.
I open a basmati, me a cook a basmati rice, scratch it, but you're not used to it. When I night it.
Say that it's scratch with true. Because you don't say expensive, my dear. You say inflation.
Family, Kimmey say, Miss Debbie. I want to see the rice me used to, me don't used to. Alright, so see then now, I'm not put no whole per rice tonight, you know. Not only per liquid, because them something, I don't even understand how them something you go.
So season it up now?
I go season it up. But that's something to them. But that's something to them. Yes, skeleton time.
I'm coming to see.
Market a galang.
Checking in. Miss Debbie, I do the cooking, and me I do the video.
I'm family, me I tell you now. Like farmers market, it's going on. So gonna comment and tell me $400 a pound for cabbage, one little chocho, for $150, one little piece of bitter melon, $250. The melon young, the melon bitter. Like literally taste the chemical and then put in them. Me not tell a lie. Comment and tell, oh, this here looks like it's gonna be real droughty too. Yeah. So me there, I say me hungry and Kimmey hungry, but me I feel say Kimmey, me not tell a lie. Kimmey, me no know we are gonna manage this month with the market business. And you can see say we're not getting a whole rain this year.
Yeah, because place literally dry.
Me say family market stay. But I just really didn't go to buy stuff. I just passed by the meat market and then them have a market next door. You know, farmers market next door to the meat market, which makes sense. And me I said the guy said, Mummy, $400 a pound for the cabbage, but me I give for $350. I said, alright, nobody give me no. So guys, we're going to continue because you know, so I look, my eye look, my face look pale. I'm hungry too. And Kimmey has stressed me out. And there look here. I drink some sauce up and it has circle along my body. You notice me I go at a snail.
Me a motivator though
for the near-means.
Yeah.
The coconut milk and the peas and the little seasoning. I have also added the salt and all them sitting there. So I don't really one here I just a regular rice cooker. This is not a regular like this rice cooker. It have settings more like something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the coconut milk cook off a little. So I'm gonna lock it down, make the coconut milk cook off a little bit. So I don't know enough family. I treat it just like how I treat rice and peas in a regular pattern thing. I do rice and peas in a rice cooker, show them already, but not this type of rice cooker. So it look like we have too much water in it, so liquid. So I take out some. So I store it. I don't know. Bob tell me. I put this to stand up. Stand up because you just look tired out and weak out and pop down like me. Them are something to make for stand up. Them no good.
No, yeah. Maybe a little more one come out.
A little more water for come out.
A little more liquid.
Alright. Come out of something there. But I tell you something, you know. I know you feel like me I go throw it away. Because
no, okay.
That's why I have fridge and deep freeze. You see these days, everything I save back in a mama. Because look here. You see when I see I go on the place of business there. This can go in a soup, stew, peas. More rice and peas in a family. I'm telling you so, you know. I see some breed that same thing. This look like I eat now, don't?
Yeah. Put it this on a pan.
How do you understand up? You know, so this is something I look like it have pull on my light. It's I don't know.
Alright.
I think I eat that
now.
I think that should be eaten now. Yeah. I return pork. Which one we eat? We tell them how we pork come by. So we make a little stew pork. Oh Jesus, the pork you look good in mellow. Kimmey. You love your belly, this look good on. I return pork.
What if you ask more return?
You see the person who invent deep freezer and fridge and then something, I turn it down. No. That is a big old burner, I am. Man, tell a lie, look good, don't? Yeah. I frozen and we are trying it in our returns. Yeah, we're not showing up. You not think a joke? You think a joke at inflation mukbang this up a big? You don't know what going out the road? Alright. You try show them this a real kitchen, this darling, we wash 30 plate. As me go along, me a clean up. So the rice and peas, you know that's something there. And you me just make sure so when we have like you show them this and me a wash 30 plate. Watch here. Me say everything turn bad. Show them. Make everything turn bad. This here I did living water. No man the massing thing I serve me much month and not even 1 month me buy it yet. Yes, could I? I'm going to tell Kobe, so I take up it down, you know. She said, oh, take up this guy. Be true. We did a look like I down the clock. Lord of mercy, turn off the pipe. But we have digital water meter. Can't stay there. And smart light meter. I think Jamaica go on easy. So, me go and show it some, me go and fully out. Yes, ma, come show them. I wash up dirty plate, mama. Cause look here, a real kitchen me run, you know, so dirty plate have in my kitchen. Yeah. The water ready, but even though the water ready, look what one girl I do now. Me catch you come water, can get some. You see, I know me I use it, so it ain't not a lot. I can take a lot like one time. This one wash and put in some soap. Alright, hello. Oh, the door. Where the cloth there, yeah. No, me don't wash this first. No, once I sit and take off my finger. Me say, Kimmey, suppose me tell you, so I have one little nice little vegetable brush, you know. But you know, so this can do vegetable, brittle them too coarse. And me say, if it turn a top and it turn a bottom, salam babu. So, yeah. And you saw it there? Real dirty plate round here, so darling. Yes, baby. All who know no dirty plate in the kitchen. Happy phone. But look here, me I will wash them dirty plate here. So.
I'll come back.
Of course, when we don't wash your dirty plate, then we are come back. I don't grudge nobody when I have a dirty plate in the kitchen. I want dirty plate enough for me. As long as I can pay the water bill, because guess what? Me know say me know to wash my dirty plate them, so I don't mind them in my kitchen. Yeah? What you say, Kimmey? Tell the people about it now.
It's Shelly, the rice look Shelly and nice.
Pick it up and make it stay there and keep one.
She'll take out the something of them out of it.
And that's something that we see everybody say aroma, and that's that brand.
Say
it. Say them say is a very good. Why? A rice cooker or what? Something. But I'm not sure if I like it.
You can do egg in it, you can.
That's why I mean I like it have the button them, you know.
Soup, cake, slow cook.
So me do rice and peas in a rice cooker, regular like the regular rice cooker. Yeah man, me good pan that man. But them a button here, me not really get into them button here. Cause right now, we do have one in my life here and the inflation in the economy. My head now works so good because them a price here me I wonder which part this I got them. But a $400 pound for cabbage and the joke not start.
Yeah guys, so the rice and peas up already.
Loud.
Pork we are going to finish up now.
Yeah.
And then Miss Debbie I going to take a little break. You know what she did with the kitchen.
Yeah, I show them missing so I kind of not dirty plate not in there. Show them so like
so she clean up. Yeah, you can talk in my area.
Like right about now, I'm over here at the table, just taking a 5, you know. Never sleep so 100 last night, so. Now this dish is not in there right now, but in a little, there will be a lot. Yeah, cause so them high up and so we wash them up. But we don't understand the part where say at no time dirty dish. Yeah. Aroma, what is something your name? Aroma rice cooker, rice and peas. Not looking bad at all. I mean, I tell her, say, guess what? I say, no water, not going at this in a girl. Pure God Almighty. What is something? Milk. Yeah, coconut milk going at this. Yeah, mama. I can stay up on the keep one. We are going to mash up this later. I don't know if I eat this, but me I eat it and I can't make it spoil. So look here.
That's how much I got eat.
Thank you, me eat this alone with the meat, you know. I tell you no, you know. You see me all time, you know, you see them I get all and back, you can't start strip them. Anybody remember this? If enough people don't know, say you can't do this, you know. Me a real old timer, you know, Kimmey. You know that? Wonder if you know that, so me a real old timer. Your mother not old timer like me, you know. Miss Joy, you're not old timer like me. You see them? A piece them a ton we can shell, you know. So them back here.
So guys, here is the stew pork. We just cut a piece of onion.
You have to tell them how it turns stew pork, you know.
How it turns stew pork? How it turns stew pork?
You never know it turns stew pork?
No.
Let me see it.
See it.
You have to turn it down low, can make the onion they go through it.
It then lower. It depends lower.
I mean, I really want to taste the onion and then see. You shouldn't put no onion in a Kimmey.
Just put a piece of onion and not even a big piece. Piece of pepper.
Maybe just stay down there.
And piece of
make sure
garlic.
It tastes good, you know, because I never find the mukbang, you know, make sure.
Garlic.
You put extra garlic?
Yeah, we put one piece of garlic on it.
Okay.
Miss Debbie.
Returns pork.
Yeah, just I pep up the pot, I pep up the local flavor, you know, because it already cook and everything already.
Yeah, long time.
Yeah.
Returns pork.
You know if pork not good, it will hurt your belly.
You remember what ginger and all that, man?
You know, say every time I jerk pork from people outside, you know, say
yeah, you always tell me that. From me know you love jerk pork, but you not always.
But I still buy it same way.
But you want your belly hurt you, don't?
Trust me, one night I don't sleep, I'm sick.
I mean, meat you always tell me say you not eat. But you not eat pork from me though.
Yeah, I eat pork from you, but
me
I tell you
she not eat pork from. Anytime she eat it, she have problem.
Remember one night when we come in, I tell you how would it go out? I never wake you.
Yes,
remember? Gerald did that for
you love me.
A doctor me was sick.
Achia, all this sink full up on the plate again. Oh God, Jesus.
Remember, Miss Debbie?
Yeah, I remember. So family, see my little string bean there. So them green and pretty and nice. Yeah. Right about now, I'm going to turn the stove off. And then I'm going to drain the little broth off of it. And the pork, give me a gravy down the pork. So I'm drain it for water. I still going to drain it in there just while it top back. You see it? Yeah. Guys, so Kimmey had the short her food. She the short man already. But things are going to be better with doing Kimmey one day because we don't have no kitchen space. She had make them only pa salad with that only pa. But that's something there. Wait name. Dressing and sitting. Yeah, that's what she's doing. But she make mine already. Miss Uno so for me. But I didn't want this. I didn't want any dressing. And she have the pork pot going up. Whoa, the pork pot pretty on camera. And Kimmey, at inflation time, I have some yam and sitting over this and I rinse them off and look at water. And I swear I go and fry them. I chew it, I go look bad, but I not fry them, can I go eat on camera right now. Oh no, at time catch up on me. So guys, Kimmey is making, she has already made my plate. I'm going to show you. This is my plate over here. We are at the eating station, you see. So we have, she not give me one more pork. P-O-K-E. I wanted some more pork. But inflation and other people they have to eat. So we have to just go low on the pork. On the protein. Yeah. So this is it. Oh no, so I'm no good with this camera. Yeah. But that's it. When me tell the people about the long belly gravy, people are gonna think I joke. So they wash your belly. Yeah, I'm one gravy. Me hear you right now.
You know, not like only for grease, but this don't have no only for grease tonight.
No, you know, only for island them something like clean on your plate.
Clean on plate, no?
And head for the mukbang station. Head to the table. So, what you want to say to the people? See what's happening as you go along in the kitchen? You start, whoops, you start having build up a plate. When we done eat and something, we clean up back our kitchen. That's how we live. We not like we live with dirty plate now. We kitchen 24/7. So she'll clean up our plate. And this is a lot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you did enjoy. Camera girl not into this today. She's editing. And she did do fear something last night. Mr. She cook a piece of something here last night. Look like a one. No. You ever see it, Kimmey? She must do her shots. Last Monday, me go sleep. I couldn't eat nothing more. Because I did eat some stewed chicken and some. So this is Kimmey's plate. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support.